Hey everybody, this is Leon, and today we're going to discuss sharing of XR fragment URLs. So sharing is not used a lot in games, in 3D games historically. It's getting more and more popular, and this is also what XR fragments is actually promoting. So if in any experience, could be an app, could be a game, could be a website, could be an AR experience or VR, doesn't matter. At any given point in time, when you click an href, so this is for example an href which teleports me. So here you can see the teleport happened, and also the URL changed, as you can see here. So the href value of this portal thingy basically is now appended to the URL of this web browser. But again, this could be an app, could be a VR experience, could be anything. So this is enough. So we can now copy paste this and share this to another person. This is awesome, by the way. But what we can also do, like here, if you press this XRF, and again, this is just an example viewer. It could be completely different in your Android app or in your native app, Windows app, Mac app, doesn't matter. This is just an example interface. So now you can see that there is a QR code, and this is already enough to share. I can also move my position, but as you can see in the URL, you can still see the old position, which was basically the link of this teleport thingy. But if I, let's say, want my friend to look at this view or to sort of like stand here, what I can do is click the share button, and now you can see that the QR code changed and the position also got updated. So this is very cool. Sharing this URL, let me quickly do that, should put me in the same position, more or less. Let me quickly scan it. Here you can see it's receiving the link. And now it's going there. Yeah, so it's maybe a bit hard to see, but so I'm basically on exactly the same position. So this is really cool, right? You could also, as a developer, you could embed a little bit more information in your sharing code or your QR code. This is up to you. But the XR fragment specification only sort of limits itself to position and the other fragments which are in the href. So this is a very cool starting point to basically build games, immersive applications, educational applications, educational movies, which are all immersive and can basically put the audience at a certain position in your 3D scene. You can also let me go back, by the way. I will press the back button. The back button should be something in this case the web browser has one, but you can also put a back button in your app. Whatever you think is the best interface. So anyways, I'm pressing the back button here. Again, okay, now I'm back to the moment when I was clicking on this teleport. What is also possible is that you can also embed time in this URL. So for example, let's say I want slow motion time. So this is speed 0.2. So I will now just copy this T, this value, because this basically sets a loop of the animation. And so now I'm clicking on this teleport again. What I can do, and again, I'm just messing around here. I can now add this T to it, press enter, And now you can see that the QR code updated to that specific time in space, the loop of the animation, the speed of the animation, and the position of the user. So you can play around with URLs yourself as well to come up with custom settings. So yeah, there is a lot of potential for these kind of hyperlinked, hyperspatial browsers. Anyways, I hope this helps, and see you in the next video. Cheers!